Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 3.14 inches. The package length of the product is 6.39 inches. The package width of the product is 4.54 inches. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. Labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Rasonable price, readily available and easy to install. Easy to install once the air intake manifold and beefy wire harness is out of the way. On my 2009 Explorer, taking the air intake manifold off was more involved than any vehicle I have taken an air intake manifold off in 50 years, and I have taken air intake manifolds off turbocharged Mustangs, and on the Ford Explorer, it is more involved still. The sensor is exteremely easy to install. However, they are rarely the problem. Most times, the problem is either 1. A clogged fuel filter, easy and cheap but more rarely the cause than others. 2. Fuel pump, the most common cause, and 3. In modern times, these throttle bodies with fuel injectors always have fuel pump control modules. A further expansion from the recent separation of power control module, PCM, for the trasnmission and shifting and engine control module, ECM, and body control module, BCM, for rollover protection ADNTH esmaller things like the behavior of courtesy lights and the tooting of horns for looking and behavior of door locks and windows and a few other things.